Today we want to show you on how you can repair your own inverter if you have the main board with you. So as you can see, we have a 3.6 kilowatt inverter, and you will go through the details. This is the specification. So here with us, here is the PV terminal. We have the positive and negative terminal, and then inside here we have the battery terminal. They're already color coded. We have the red and black. This is for positive and this is for neutral. So you can see the whole motherboard, the way it looks like. That is how it is. So we are going to remove this main board, the whole of it. We are going to remove it from this inverter because there's a part of it that is burnt. So we'll replace this, and then after that we'll show you on how we'll be doing the testing. So we have our new motherboard here. Here with us. So this is the new one that you want to replace. It's still intact. So if in case you want to buy anything with us, don't worry about the repair. If in case there's a fault, we'll be able to repair your inverter for you. As you can see, guys, we have now dismantled most of the parts of this inverter. We have removed the PV cables. We have removed the AC in cables. We have them here. So we're just going to carry this board. Just do this. We make sure anything that is connecting this board, we remove it out. So like this one, pull that one out slowly. And that is how we have removed the main board. So we are going to replace the new one, and we'll show you how it is done.